Hello friends, it is Unicorn Princess here, and I come to you from the tiny gazebo to show you this incredible snow day that seems to have come out of nowhere. I showed you on the start here the hidden videos of the snowstorm that started kind of yesterday-ish, but it's crazy. It hasn't been this snowy in Dundee since I moved here, and I've been here like 8 years maybe, and I've never seen snow like this since before then even. So I'm just going to show you some of the beauty of the snow and maybe how some people are managing to have fun during lockdown outside. I think there are no steps anymore, just snow. You can't even see the tay, it's totally gone. Oh my god, I can't feel my hands. I want to stay out here all day, but it is so cold. I can't feel my hands. I have like a circulatory issue, and no gloves is not a good idea. It actually really hurts, so I'm gonna go find a shop. I had a dream last night of a weather forecast where it just said over and over again it snowed 8 inches overnight. So if this turns out to be 8 inches of snow, I guess I'm officially psychic. It wouldn't be the first time. 8 inches of snow. It is the 9th today. I don't know how I can show you that. No one buys newspapers anymore, but it's the 9th. I'm gonna Google it later and find out how much snow has actually fallen. Also, it's too cold for makeup. Just FYI. Let's destroy some untouched snow. Whew. I'm such a child, but it brings me such joy. The steps are gone. I totally didn't just slip and fall in a spectacular way. It's fine. It's okay. Look at this. Beautiful. I apologize in advance if this video is all just shaky hand cam. But like, it's too cold to set up the camera and, you know, all of that stuff. I'd much rather just show you in the moment, you know? Nothing on the road. Snow. It is thick. I counted, it must be at least 10 years since it snowed like this last. It's nuts. Like, Scotland is snowy, but Dundee is near the sea, so we get all the salt air. Look how freaking wonderland that looks. It's amazing. Look at this. How mad is that? And there's not a soul because we're all still kept inside except for exercise. This is my walk of the day. I'll probably be out half an hour max. I really want to stand in that. Oh. Right, I'm going in that untouched snow. Let's dangerously climb a wall. I want to be over there. How deep is this? Let's hope I don't die. Oh, oh my god. Hold on. Oh my god. How is that possible? Guys, the snow is knee high. How is that possible? Oh my god. What? I wish I could show you a better view of this, but I'm not kidding. It is knee high. Holy shit. Oh. I can't. This is crazy. I can't believe how deep this snow is. I don't know if it's just because nobody's walked on it or what. Oh, I love it. I need to put my hand in my pocket, I can't feel it. Oh shit. Oh god. It's too cold. You can see that. That is some crazy deep snow. Now I gotta get off the other side without decking it. Alright, here we go. Climb the wall. Alright, let's head back. I can't feel anything anymore, even after I had my shop break. So there are people out in force today, hand gritting roads and pavements because there have been no gritters. Normally, there are, you know, trucks and stuff that go out with grit when they're forecast for snow like this, but there's been nothing, and I don't know if it's because COVID or strike or whatever, but yeah, there's, I don't know if you can see, that's just road, and the only reason it's lower is because cars have been driving on it, but there's no gritted paths, no gritted road. It's kind of super dangerous accident waiting to happen. Look how buried these cars are. They're gonna have to dig themselves out to go anywhere. This path is quickly becoming like solid ice. All the way up. Just kind of super dangerous. How cool is that? It's like snowed so much on these little hills that it's come to like, can you see like peaks? Like in the freaking Arctic. How cool is that? Awesome. I think someone built a snow castle. How cool is that? Can you guys see writing in the distance? What does that say? Smile, you idiot. No, please? This bench is like dressed in snow. It's so thick. Well, it's day 2 of crazy snow, and I'm back at the tiny gazebo space. I was worried that maybe it would have melted or something, but no, it just kept snowing last night. Got higher and higher. Gonna go and look at the gazebo. It is well and truly buried in there. Huh. Oh god. Huh. Ooh, icicles. I can't wait for the shelf to like fall off. Oh my god, the depth of the snow is bananas. You can't see the edge of the tiny gazebo. Oh my god. Look, watch. It just keeps going. Oh god. Oh, it's in my shoe. Gross. Let's have a look over the tay. Oh, it's in my shoes. That's, oh. I love how many people have taken to sledding. This whole space is like sled central. Whee! Look at the peace. across the Tay. Oh, that's a seagull right in the middle. Hello! The birds are coming back. It is going to be spring. There's a robin. Hello. Hi. Come in. Day 2, back out by the tiny gazebo, and it's not snowing today. It's like crazy still. It's actually awesome and amazing. And I thought I would just film a little outro. I don't know how long the snow will last, but it's exciting to have something to be excited about. So I hope you guys get some snow. And I'll see you all again next time. Bye. No.